Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I don't even know what we're making. It's going to be some sort of jalapeno popper type deal. Some sticky rice and bacon, shrimp, and some pepper jack cheese. So hang around to the end to see how they turn out and see what I would have did differently. So right now, we're just going to cut our jalapenos in half. After we cut them in half, I'm going to take the seeds and the veins out. Depending if you like it spicy or not, you can leave them in. I'm just going to take them out. I find an easy way to do it. Just take a spoon, put it up there at the small end of the jalapeno and just run it down. Everything comes right out, nice and easy. And the jalapenos are taken care of for now. We'll set them aside. I'm just going to dice up these baby shrimps that I had sitting in the freezer. After that, we're going to take a slice of the pepper jack cheese. Use whatever cheese you like here. I'm just using pepper jack today. Now we're going to stuff the jalapeno. We're going to put the shrimp in there. Going to hit it with a little pepper, a little salt. We're going to take a slice of that pepper jack, put it right on top of them shrimp. Now we're going to come in with the sticky rice. We're going to take that rice, just make a ball all around the jalapeno. Now, if you haven't tried this stuff yet, this Japanese barbecue sauce, I'll leave a link down in the description. It's got great flavor. I really like it. So now we're going to get a little bit of that sauce on the rice. Now we got the bacon. We're going to take the bacon, we're going to fold it around. And we're going to come in and wrap another slice the other way. Just to hold all that rice in there. Like I said, I don't even know what to call these, but if you have any ideas, let me know down in the comments. So here we go. Got that bacon. We're going to hit it with the salt, pepper, and garlic. We'll get another one wrapped up. We're going to be doing these on the Traeger. I got the Traeger preheating at 325. So let's go out. We'll set them on there. After about 15 minutes, we're going to come in with some more of that Japanese barbecue sauce. All I'm going to be doing, I'm just checking these every 15 minutes. It's just about a half hour total cook time now. We're going to hit them with a little more sauce. That's it, about 45 minutes. That's what they look like. Let's bring them inside and we're going to make the dipping sauce for them. So we're coming in with that Duke's mayo. A couple big spoonfuls. A little bit of sriracha. You guessed it, some more of that Japanese barbecue sauce. Big honking spoonful of minced garlic. We're just going to stir that up. We added some sesame seeds and some fresh jalapenos. Here's a taste test. See, that rice is still nice and moist. But some of the pieces of bacon on the inside, that's my first mistake. I should have used the thin cut bacon, but all I had laying around was the thick cut. Some crispy pieces on the outside with the rice, the jalapeno, the cheese, and the shrimp. Flavors are really good. So the other one to try here, we'll show you what it looks like inside. That's another thing I would have changed. The ratio to rice to the jalapeno. I would have liked more jalapeno in there. But it is really good. Just kind of a mess to eat like this. So next time I do them, I think I'm just going to cut smaller pieces like that. So you can get the bacon all the way around it. Hit it with a toothpick. Make like little appetizers out of them. But if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about that Carnivore's Corner shirt.